endless possibilities
What
with
AI
LLMs.
agents are?
LLM, AI agent, MCP, token, what do these even mean? To most people, these AI terms might as well be in Klingon. So I'm gonna break down 10 of them in plain English, the kind your grandma could actually follow. No jargon, no text-plaining, just dumb analogies that actually make sense. Let's start with the one that started it all, LLM. LLM is like that quiet office genius who's read every book ever written. Ask them anything, and they'll type up an answer faster than you can finish your coffee. Just don't expect them to speak, unless you ask first. But even the smartest AI needs someone to talk to humans. Think of a chatbot as the receptionist. She smiles, takes your question, then runs to the genius in the back, our LLM, and brings you the answer. Friendly? Yes. Smart? Not really. Still, just saying things isn't enough. It needs to understand your request. Prompt. It's like a spell for your AI. Say it clearly and boom, your wish is granted. Say it messy and you'll get a taco recipe when you ask for tax help. Be specific, wizard. And when prompts get serious, AI stops being passive and starts taking action. AI agent is like an intern who actually wants more work. You give them a goal, and they run around using tools, asking questions, and reporting back like they want a promotion. It's scary efficient. Of course, to act smarter, AI needs to learn a bit more than just the basics. Fine-tuning is like sending your super smart employee to a niche workshop. They already know a lot, but now they speak your brand's language, get your vibe, and write emails that sound like you. And once it's trained, it's finally ready to say something intelligent. Hopefully. Inference is the moment the AI thinks out loud. Behind the scenes, it's crunching data, flipping through virtual pages, and then boom, it says something that hopefully makes sense. But every time it talks, there's a cost. In time and in tiny little pieces. Token is like a Lego block for language. AI doesn't read whole words. It counts tokens. More tokens, more work. And yes, more tokens equals more cost. And with limits on how much it can handle, memory becomes a real issue. Workflow is like a team of robots on a factory line. One edits, one writes, one emails. All you did was press start and they got it done. No coffee breaks. MCP is like a designer brief for your AI. Who the audience is, what the style is, even the tone. You're not just asking, it's a whole creative direction in one go. Vector embedding is like AI's social graph of words. Words that mean similar things hang out in the same neighborhood. That's how AI remembers meaning, by distance, not spelling. So now you've survived 10 AI buzzwords. Which one still sounds like sci-fi to you? Drop it in the comments, and I might explain it next. And hey, if you actually enjoyed this nerdy ride, you know what to do.